Hey, what's up, Hot Wheel lovers? Out here in the snow and ice today. Sitting back in my truck full of ice. Got a little tailgate showing here. Let's get started. Got a Mazda MX-5 Miata. Got a Lamborghini Roadster. One of my favorites, the little Bounce Bass base little truck. Due for 2026 also. Neat little truck. And we got the 69 Chevelle X Racer. 69 Chevelle X Racer. How about that thing? Huh. Got the 24/7. Wind blowing out here. And we got the 17 Audi RS. You know, they put good tail lights and they put good headlights in some of these cars. Some of them they don't. I don't understand that. Got a Mazda RX-7. JW Imports. Got a Porsche 911. That old pink baby. Got her. Pretty nice. Got somebody trying to go up the hill in the ice right there. Now let's see what we got. Got a 2024 Mustang Chevy 500. See what I mean by tail light's good on some and not others. See? We could have made that a little better, seems like. And we got the Cupra E-Racer. Cupra, how you pronounce that? Got the La Lupra. Step Dream Garage. Pretty cool. New for 2026 too. Got the Dark Knight Batmobile. Looks like it's got the Army camouflage. Got Pagani Zonda CQ. Looks like a tune card on it. Due for 2026. Libra. 66 Riviera. Due for 2025, black. Nice. I picked up the 75 Chevy Blazer Custom. I might be new trucks. Oh, right here. And got the 7328 Firebird. I love these little Firebirds. Got the Lay and Low Rider. New for 2026. Hey, it look like a Daytona. A Daytona here, don't they? Big old fin in the back. High tail chaser. Pretty cool. Woo, cold out here. Wind is blowing. What kind of idiot am I? Anyway, Ford Mustang GTD. And they put some headlights and tail lights on that one. They put them on 500. Pretty nice. Hurry up, cold out. And we got another Mazda Miata. I'm going to show it to you. I showed you one. Let me show you another. Got the Lotus Cortina. Going back, that kind of was like sort of. Yeah. Let's see if we got the Datsun 240Z. And big old long straight 6-cylinder in there for me. Let's see. Got two more. 24/7, which I done showed you. And the last one. Oh, it's 87. Oh, 67 Camaro. Gold. Pretty cool. Hidden headlights. I'm almost. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. Be standing out here in the cold. Nice. Doing my little tailgate special. I ain't done one in a while. Check out my other videos at What's in Ford Scale Racing, please. I sure would appreciate it. Please subscribe and like. Woo, thank you. Want to get warm. Bye.